Have you ever thought what separates the 2% people, the ones that are most successful in what they do, from all of us? Well, in this video, I will tell you 5 super amazing facts about those people who make it super big in their life. So be ready to stick till the end of the video. So let's get started with the first and super amazing fact. They all are the member of the 5 a.m. club, which means that the time when devil sleeps and God awakes. It means that in the early morning they get their best works done. And this is because in the early morning we have the super high energy levels and we can do even our most toughest tasks with super ease. That is why most of the successful people wake up very early in the morning. You can also try that by watching our other videos about facts about successful people like Will Smith, like Picasso and many more. And make sure to subscribe to the channel. Now let's go to the second fact, which is that they exercise a lot. Exercises help us do our work more productively, and the more you exercise, the more your brain gets fast. Now this is a scientific study that speaks that if you exercise regularly, your body fitness improves, even your brain muscle improves a lot, your willpower improves. That's why you have seen that most of the super successful person in the world have very know what to do right now and how to take care of instant gratification. If you also want to come in the category, make sure that you are gymming or following any other fitness regime like yoga and something else that is fits for your body type. Just make sure you do that. It's like SIP for your health. And the best time to do is try to do it before 8 a.m. It will be super duper beneficial for you. Do you exercise in the morning? Write it down in the comments and tell me. Have you ever heard that quote that the secret of success is found in your daily routine? Now this is not me talking, it's a super famous quote, and write yes in the comments if you have heard it. Now let me tell you a super simple thing. Most of the super successful person, and this is very important fact if you want to reach their heights, most of the super successful persons follow a very stressful, I don't mean stressful, I mean it is fun for them. They follow a strict routine, a disciplined routine. And due to this routine, they rise above all the average success that we all achieve. Now what I mean by that, they have super simple things that they do daily. Like consistency is the main thing here. If you are not consistent in maybe reading books, and maybe exercising, in maybe meditation or learning some skill, you can't do it for a long time, then you can't achieve success in it. This is very common principle. So that's why all the successful people know that and they go in for the long term. That's why instead of setting just goals, they try to driven more routine driven life, which is super important. So instead of using just goals and temporary motivation, you should try and do the routine driven lifestyle. It will be very beneficial for you. Your routine could be anything. You can design your routine like you want. You want to go to temple, maybe you want to do meditation, you want to learn a skill. It all depends upon you. Just make sure you design your routine in such a way that you have a balance of work and yet you have a balance of fun as well. Now this takes us to our next point. All the successful people also have fun. I'm not mean that just they are like boring people doing work all the time. They also know how to have fun, which is our fourth point. Now after work, it's just time for yourself. You can do anything you want. You can follow a hobby, you can do something. Just make sure to have some fun as well along the way. When things get tough, I really read that quote a lot. Just remember to have fun. And you can just watch Netflix if you want. You can do chill with your friends. You can watch a movie. You can do anything. Follow any hobby that suits you. Just make sure to have some fun along with the work, which creates a balance. And make sure their mind is super healthy to follow the workload and also having fun. But do not indulge in these pleasures very much that it will affect your work. This is super important because all the successful people know the balance between the work and the fun. Now as talking about mental health, this is super duper important and necessary that you should take some time off from all the work, from all the fun, and just rest. Just rest and make sure you're living a peaceful life. Now this is very important. You can just meditate. Okay, you can just meditate. You can just write a journal. Just make sure to leave all the phone, laptop away from yourself just before in half an hour you go to sleep. it will give you a positive vibes, and you will make your life super peaceful. You should not have any stress or any kind of problematic thoughts in your mind. This is very important to deal with stress, with work and fun and all the things. Just make sure to have a peaceful routine as well. Now that's how it is. These are the 5 facts that we have known about the most successful people that in the world. So if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to our channel, comment on the video which facts you like the most, and that's how it is. Thank you very much for watching the video until